How to test if a string contains one of the substrings in a list, in pandas. Is there any function that would be the equivalent of a combination of df.isn and dfcol.str.contains? For example, say I have the series s equals pd.series cat, hat, dog, fog, pet, and I want to find all places where s contains any of, at. I would want to get everything but pet. I have a solution, but it's rather inelegant. Is there a better way to do this?
One option is just to use the regex character to try to match each of the substrings in the words in your series S, still using str.contains. You can construct the regex by joining the words and search for with vertical bar. As at Andy Hayden noted in the comments below, take care if your substrings have special characters such as $ in which you want to match literally. These characters have specific meanings in the context of regular expressions and will affect the matching. You can make your list of substrings safer by escaping non-alphanumeric characters with re.escape. The strings within this new list will match each character literally when used with str.contains.
You can use str.contains alone with a regex pattern using OR, vertical bar. Or you could add the series to a dataframe then use str.contains. Output.
Here is a one-line lambda that also works. Input. Apply lambda. Output.
Have the same issue. Without making it too complex, you can add in between each entry, like field name, str.contains cat vertical bar dog, works.
If you want to see more